So what does your favorite clothing brand say about you? That's what we're going to be discussing in today's video. But if you do like these type of videos, I've got a whole catalog of these videos on my channel, so be sure to check that out. And without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, cool. So the first clothing brand we're going to be talking about is Palace. And if your favorite clothing brand is Palace, you probably spend majority of your time at a skate park talking about how fucked up you was the night before. And you definitely use words like rad and gnarly.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?
People that wear Palace like look like skaters, they talk like skaters, they even hang around with skaters, but they can't do a fucking kickflip to save their life. And their main diet consists of Red Bull, barbecue hula hoops and cigarettes. And they probably still play Tony Hawk Underground like it's still 2008. But then they'll justify it like, oh yeah, they don't make it how they used to. Like, no bro, you just can't afford a PlayStation 3 or a PlayStation 4, let alone a PlayStation 5. They just got a PlayStation 2 just sat in their energy drink infested room. And they definitely buy more second-hand clothes than they do buy new clothes. And then they'll insist the reason for it is because they're smart with money. Like, yeah, that's the reason, bro. So the next brand I'm going to be talking about is Adidas. Alright, cool. So if Adidas is your favorite brand, you probably think Jesus and Kanye West are the same people. And they probably have a deep, deep hatred for Nike. So deep, in fact, that they'll probably pop a blood vessel if they saw anyone with Adidas joggers and Nike shoes. They will fully sit there and just bash the shit out of Jordan, saying like, oh yeah, it's just so overrated and just everyone wears them. But then they'd still continue to wear Yeezys like it's 2015. And also they'd roll up their Adidas socks just to show everyone how much of a virgin they are. And they probably own like 50 pairs of running shoes but never ran in a day in their life. But cool, our next clothing brand we're going to be talking about is Stone Island. So if Stone Island is your favourite brand, you probably use phrases like geese, mush and I swear down on my nan's ashes. And you probably use any opportunity just to flex a Stony badge. Like, if they could include it in their passport photo, best believe they fucking would. And if Stone Island is your favourite clothing brand, you are most certainly at the pub every weekend watching football. And a Stony plus 3 cans of Stellas automatically make you a racist without even you knowing. Like, they'll start saying shit like, yeah, bruv, I'm not racist, like, I've got a black car outside, like, how could I be racist, geez? Or they'll use a phrase like, I'm not being funny, yeah, and then go on to say the most offensive shit you've ever heard in your life. Oi, I'm not being funny, yeah, geez, yeah, but why has that geezer got a towel on his head? And if you ask them what their favourite movie is, they're definitely going to say Green Street. They'll most likely tell you that they're in a football firm, but what it actually is just a bunch of fat, middle-old age men that know all the words to a football chant but can't remember their son's birthday. Alright, cool, I think that's enough Stone Island for today, but and to end things off, we're going to be talking about Ralph Lauren. If Ralph Lauren's your favourite clothing brand, you probably call your mother by her first name.
Dalton Bartholomew Carnegie, clean up this room, it's filthy. Get the fuck out of my room, Margaret.
And you definitely go to golf practice with your dad on the weekends. You most likely study economics in uni and you take any opportunity to bring up your stock and crypto portfolio. Yeah, bro, I'm into stocks. Like, what about you, bro? And yes, they definitely talk like that. And if you wear Ralph Lauren, you definitely roll up any sleeve of like clothing you have. I'm talking long sleeves, I'm talking normal t-shirts, fucking the bottom of your trousers, fuck it, even like a tank top or something. And people that wear Ralph Lauren are the sort of motherfuckers to get like a MacBook and just completely forget how to use the word laptop. These are the sort of motherfuckers that will buy a gram of weed for like £40 and like tell their friends that they got a good deal. And people that wear Ralph Lauren, yeah, like if they go out on a night out and they don't end up like puking all over themselves, stumbling all over themselves, to them, like, that isn't a successful night. And just to top things off, like, they'll probably look at people on benefits and think they're the lucky ones. So you're trying to tell me you get free fucking money and you don't have to work? What the fuck, bro? That's so unfair. But I do want to say, like, this video was just a full-on joke, so like, don't get offended by this. Like, obviously, like, these are just stereotypes in it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy, and if you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.